Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have recorded this cut crease eyeshadow look in bold lips. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. I have already done my eyebrows. I did my eyebrows off camera, and right now I am just priming my eyes using my concealer in the color NC50. Just priming my lids for my eyeshadow. And now I am just setting that with my sashabutter cup setting powder. And now I am going to start using my Hudabeauty Warm Brown Obsessions eyeshadow palette. And I'm using the orange color at the top of it. And I'm just using that above my crease. And this is going to be my transition color. And now I'm using this dark burgundy color right in my crease. And then I'm just going to blend that out. And I'm also putting a little bit of that in the outer V and using the darker brown shade in the outer V as well. And just blending that into my crease. Using that same dark brown eyeshadow color in the outer V, and I just still bring that into my crease to make it a little bit more defined. And now for the fun part, I am using my concealer for the cut crease, and I'm just using that to cut a line right below my crease. And I went a little bit above my crease to make it a little wider and a little bit more visible. And I'm just cleaning that out and put it in concealer all over my lid. And I didn't do a full cut crease, so this is more like a half cut crease. So I'm stopping right close to that outer V. Now I'm just spraying the brush with spray, and now I am just packing on that gold color in the Hudabeauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. And now, just to give it a little bit more gradient, I'm going with this orange color I used in my crease earlier, and I'm putting that right between the gold color and the dark brown color. Now I'm just going to line my eyes, and I'm using my duo eyeliner in the color black, and I'm just going to use that to create a wing line. Now I'm using my Better Than Sex mascara. I'm just going to use that on my lashes. And then I'm lining my waterline with MAC Smolder eyeliner. Now I'm just going to put on my lashes, and I'm wearing the lashes I got from Poplashes, and this is the number A09. I love this lashes. Now I'm just using my Better Than Sex mascara to blend my natural lashes and the false lashes together. And now I'm just priming my face using the Hudabeauty primer, and this is the Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base Primer. And I'm just putting that all over my face. I'm getting ready for my foundation. Now I'm going to be using the Hudabeauty Full Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation, and this is in the color Cinnamon. And I'm going to put that all over my face using the foundation brush. And now I'm going to highlight, and I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and I'm using two different colors. I'm using Tan Sand and Deep. Deep was a little too dark for me. As you can see, it's almost matching my skin tone, and the Tarte was a little too bright for me. So what I did, I just mixed the two of them together to get my perfect highlighter shade. And now I just sprayed my beauty blender, my setting spray, and I am just blending that all together. And I love to use my beauty blender to blend out my highlighter because it gives a better finish to me. Using a brush always gives me those strict lines, but the beauty blender just sets everything perfectly. And I am just blending everything together and blending everything out to make sure there are no harsh lines. And now I'm going to set with my setting powder, and I'm using the sashabutter setting powder to set all the areas that I highlighted. And then I am going to dust that away. And now I am going to contour, and I decided to do a cream contour today. I'm using the Fenty Beauty contour stick, and this is in the color Espresso. And I'm just going to contour my cheek, my chin, my forehead. I didn't contour my nose today. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend all of that out with this blending brush. And just blend, blend, blend. And when I'm blending my contour on my cheek, I try to bring that upwards a little bit, and when I do that, it gives me that nice gradient that I love. And now I'm going to set that contour, and I'm using this contour powder from Slick, and this is in the color Dark. And I'm just going to use that to set the contour. And my contour was a little low for me, so I wanted to bring it a little higher. So now I'm using my sashabutter setting powder, and I'm going to use that to clean it up a little bit and then dust that off. And now I am going to use this blush from MAC. And now I'm setting my face, and I'm using these Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer Setting Spray. Now time for highlight. Ooh, I am using the Hudabeauty Winter Highlighter Palette. I love this highlight. It is so vibrant. Just a little bit goes a long way. And I just use that to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose as well. And I used a little bit of this highlighter as well to highlight my eyebrow bone. And all the shades in this highlighter are so beautiful. I used the Northern Lights. And I also highlighted the corner of my eyes. And now time for the lips. I am using this lipstick from Hudabeauty, and this is the liquid matte lipstick, and it comes with a liquid a lip pencil as well. And this lip pencil is in the color Vixen. And this lipstick I'm using is also from Hudabeauty, and this is the liquid matte lipstick in the color Vixen. And I just put that all over my lip. I made a mistake there, just had to clean that up a little bit. And I'm just putting that all over my lip. Okay, and now I'm just going to line my waterline, and I'm using the same orange eyeshadow. And that's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming this tutorial. I hope you like this makeup look. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and comment in this comment section. Let me know what you enjoyed about it and what you like about the video. I really enjoyed filming this video, and I will be seeing you in my next video. And thank you. Bye.